My name is Kimberly Berg. I'm a clinical exercise physiologist, dancer, drummer, and motivational speaker, and the owner of the Rebel Fit Club. I have over 25 years experience working with special populations, specifically people with Parkinson's. We were the first rock-steady boxing program in Oregon. I started with one site, 2 classes, and 7 fighters. And now we have 5 sites and cater to over 300 fighters. We decided that our dream would be to open our own facility exclusively dedicated to people with Parkinson's. So I needed a dance studio, I needed a boxing gym, I wanted a place where there was massage, we could have Tai Chi, we could have yoga, we could have boys. So after 5 years of working really hard, we were able to open up a beautiful 12,000 square foot facility, the Rebel Fit Club, designated specifically to people with Parkinson's and other neuromuscular diseases. Somebody who comes in with a wheelchair is able to be helped here, but also our high agility fighters too will get a really good workout. Not only do we offer our signature Rock Steady boxing program, which is non-contact boxing, at all of our sites, but here at the Rebel Fit Club, we also offer other programming that research has shown to offset and slow the symptoms of Parkinson's, such as Tai Chi, yoga, dance, drumming, golf, tango, singing, and our voice classes. We actually have a dance company called the PD Rebel Performance Project, where people can drum, sing, and dance. Every design of this club was made for people with Parkinson's and their symptoms and how it will progress. So it really is catered to those people who have Parkinson's and want to feel safe and have a good time. But we're not just happy with you maintaining where you're at with your Parkinson's. We actually want to see you improve. And our hopes are to actually get you to move up to a higher functioning level class.
Research does show that exercise is better at slowing the progression of Parkinson's than medication. No matter what stage you're at, there's a place for you. No matter how advanced your Parkinson's is or how minimal your symptoms are, you can work out. She will tailor things to your level of ability.
The one thing you need to know is you've got to get up. You can't lay in bed and just feel sorry for yourself. You walk in the door and you feel welcome.
I will say I like having this gym specifically for Parkinson's because there is something, I think, for people that makes it much more comfortable to come and work out rather than going to like a commercial gym with the general public.
You just gotta come. You gotta come to this thing and you gotta fight. Cannot give up.
Don't be afraid of it.
Don't be afraid of it, right.
It's scary to have Parkinson's and it's scary to do something new like this, and it's boxing, but it's not scary, it's awesome.
After seeing people feel so isolated with Parkinson's and trying to go at this alone and not being successful, I decided to open a facility where they could come and get community for both themselves and for their families and have really good research-based exercise to help slow down the progression of the disease and find hope. And hopefully you will come in and see and join us in the fight because you are not alone.